The candy gets eaten. The thought gets remembered. A Boo basket was never about the stuff. It is proof that somebody paid attention all year. And what breaks the ritual is never generosity. It is chaos. 9 baskets in your head. A repeated gift. A target run with no list. This is the Boo Basket Command Center. 12 connected tabs for Excel and Google Sheets. And the whole ritual organized. Start here is 3 steps. Fill the roster, build each basket, then work the porch nights. Everything you will see is the shipped sample plan. Amara Okafor is a fictional persona, not a customer, and you type over her people with yours. The house style is simple. Cream cells are yours to type in, and everything white calculates itself. Per year, 9 baskets, 2 already built, and every number on this dashboard recalculated live from the item lines. The roster is where the thought lives. 9 people this year. The kids, her husband, 3 best friends, 2 teachers, and the neighborhood Boo chain. Allergies and no-nos come first. No gum for Zoe, strictly peanut-free for Malik. The file repeats that warning beside every item you add for that person, so the label check happens in the store. Then a cap per basket. 9 small promises that add up to $141. The basket builder is the heart. 1 row per item, 42 lines this year, 21 already bought. Each line carries an estimate, then the real price once it is in the trunk, and the working total blends the two honestly. The board on top watches every basket, and when Malik's glow-in-the-dark basketball pushed his basket 64 cents over its cap, the alert went red. Not to scold, so she decides on purpose instead of finding out at the register. Everything still open rolls into one shopping list grouped by store, 21 items across 8 stores. And the budget tab keeps the honest line, $138.62 projected against the $140 she set. $1.38 under, with $69.87 already spent. Estimates are estimates until something is bought, receipts after. The file says that in writing. The Boo chain is the neighborhood game. Someone boos your porch, and you have 48 hours to pass it on. Her chain has held 2 years running, with a fastest pass-on of 1 day. This year's drop is planned for October 17th, for the new neighbors, sealed and nut-free, because it sits on a stranger's porch. Both the card and the door sign print from this kit. The archive is the moat. 13 baskets across 3 years, 1 keyword per basket, and the basket builder checks every new item against it. This year it fired exactly once. Priya got chai in 2025, so her chai concentrate got flagged before it was bought, and the note already says swapping to matcha. 3 years, 0 repeated baskets. A $2 printable tag cannot do that. Class Boograms priced the mini boos honestly. A bag and 3 small things, $1.15 a unit, 24 kids, $27.60 for the run. It is non-food by default, so every allergy list is safe, and it stays out of the family plan unless you switch it on. The what-if line does the math in the open. The Printable Boo Kit ships in the same download. 2 You've Been Booed cards, the We've Been Booed door sign, 6 basket tags, and 12 treat labels, all in this palette. And because this file is built to be given, there is a gift certificate and a 1-page handoff guide. Etsy does not deliver digital gifts to your recipient for you, so this kit makes that part easy. Print the certificate or share your Google Sheets copy. So that is the command center, the roster, the baskets, the budget, the chain, the archive that never repeats itself, and a printable kit to finish every basket. $16.97, one-time, free lifetime updates, Excel and Google Sheets. The candy gets eaten. The thought gets remembered. Link in the description.